Everything in our existence is energy. From the moment we wake up to the last thought before we sleep, we are immersed in an energetic field that influences our thoughts, emotions, and actions. But did you know you can learn to control this energy to transform your life? Today, on Motivation You Need, we will guide you through the power of understanding and directing your energy to achieve balance, well-being, and personal fulfillment. To begin, we need to understand the concept of energy. Energy is the life force that flows through everything around us. It is present in nature, in objects, and most importantly, within us. When you feel tired, frustrated, or anxious, it's often a sign that your energy is being drained or misdirected. On the other hand, when you feel motivated, happy, and at peace, your energy is aligned with your purpose and the universe. One of the first steps to controlling your energy is identifying what affects it. Think about your environment. Is it chaotic, noisy, or disorganized? Or is it tranquil, clean, and inspiring? The place where you live and work has a direct impact on your energy. Start by analyzing the space around you. Get rid of objects that no longer serve a purpose and organize your surroundings in a way that brings calm and clarity. The second important influence is the energy of the people around you. Certain people bring light and positivity to your life, while others can drain your energy, leaving you exhausted. It's essential to learn how to set healthy boundaries to protect your emotional energy. If someone consistently brings negativity, consider limiting the time you spend with that person. This doesn't mean abruptly cutting ties, but it is important to prioritize your mental health. Now, let's talk about your own internal energy. There are simple practices that can help you elevate and balance your energy. One of them is mindful breathing. Take a moment right now to breathe deeply, filling your lungs with air. Feel how this simple action can renew your strength. When we focus on our breathing, we anchor our minds in the present moment, allowing energy to flow more harmoniously. Another powerful tool for controlling your energy is meditation. When you meditate, you create an internal space of peace and clarity, which acts as a refuge from the stress of the outside world. You don't need to meditate for hours. 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing or a positive visualization. Meditation is like a reset button for your energy. Nutrition also plays a crucial role. What you consume can elevate or reduce your energy. Natural and whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and grains provide clean energy for the body. Avoid processed foods and excess sugar, as they create energy fluctuations that lead to fatigue and irritability. Try starting your day with a nutrient-packed smoothie or a balanced meal to maintain stable energy levels. Another vital aspect is physical movement. When we exercise, we release endorphins, which act as a natural energy boost. It doesn't have to be anything strenuous. A walk outdoors, a yoga class, or even a quick dance at home can work wonders for your energy. Movement connects the body, mind, and spirit, helping you release tension and raise your vibration. Speaking of vibration, everything we do has an energetic frequency. Our thoughts, emotions, and actions create waves that resonate with the universe. That's why it's essential to maintain positive and intentional thoughts. If you constantly criticize yourself or feed worries, you're creating dense, heavy energy. Replace those thoughts with positive affirmations like, "I am capable," "I am worthy," or "I am abundance." Repeating these phrases daily can shift your energetic frequency. It's also important to remember that our energy is influenced by what we give attention to. Think about social media, for example. Do you spend hours scrolling through your feed, absorbing information that's often negative or unnecessary? If so, this is draining your energy. Take a digital detox and use that time for something that truly nourishes your soul, like reading a good book, spending time in nature, or simply relaxing. Gratitude is another habit that transforms energy. When we express gratitude, we elevate our energetic frequency to a state of abundance. Take a moment at the end of each day to reflect on 3 things you're grateful for. Write them in a journal or simply think about them before you sleep. You'll notice a significant change in your mood and how you face challenges. At Motivation, you need, we believe that energy is the foundation of everything you want to create in your life. If you want to achieve a goal, attract good opportunities, or improve your relationships, start by adjusting your energy. Remember, change begins from within. By controlling your energy, you take command of your reality. Finally, never underestimate the power of rest. Sleep is when your body and mind regenerate, recharging your energy for the next day. Prioritize quality sleep by creating a routine that includes regular hours and a comfortable sleeping environment. Avoid using electronic devices before bed, as they can interfere with your sleep cycle. The journey to controlling your energy is not linear, but it's deeply transformative. Start implementing one or two of these practices today, and watch how your life begins to change. If you found these tips helpful, leave a comment below and share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe to the Motivation You Need channel for more content that helps you grow mentally, spiritually, and physically. See you in the next video.